So guys, welcome back to a new video. Before we get into the video, I just wanna say if we reach 500 subscribers, we're gonna have a giveaway. It's probably gonna be like a gift card or something, so make sure to subscribe. So back to the regular video. Today we're gonna install my new diffuser I bought for my F30, and as you can see I have my winter jacket on. It's snowy outside, it's very cold, and I have my trusty thermo pants on because I'm gonna lay down here and install my diffuser because I have summer tires on this car, so I can't really move it. And here we have my new diffuser. I'm gonna unveil it soon, but make sure to subscribe and like and share the video, and let's get into this. So here we have it. I went for the gloss black because I got a really good deal at Black Friday. I only paid 80 bucks for this. I think that's very cheap for a diffuser. I think it costs a lot more normally. And I went for the exhaust pipe on the right side. Yeah, right. Because I haven't changed my exhaust. I wanna go for the quad pipe, but I haven't really decided. It's a lot of money, but that's something for the future. But anyway, let's figure it out how to remove the old one. So you're gonna have two 8mm screws on every side, and it's gonna be 3 screws in the middle that are 10mm. I don't know why it doesn't use the same size, but it is what it is. Just to make a compare, I mean, how much better doesn't that glossy black one looks like? This old one is just flat and boring. It's gonna bring so much more shape to the back end, especially when we have this big ducktail. And I know the car doesn't look that good. It's dirty, it's snowy, but I use it for every day, and I don't have I'm finally done with the install. I had some small issues because it's so cold now. I don't want to like press and bend the plastic too much, because as everyone knows, plastic is more sensitive when it is cold outside. So there are a small gap right here, and the clips don't want to like stuck really on the sides. But like I said, I don't want to bend it too much, and you don't see it that it doesn't really fit right now. But I'm gonna fix that when it gets hotter outside, because I don't want to destroy the diffuser. It would be really sad if I crack it just because it's cold outside. Anyway, it looks really good, and I'm really happy with the results. And don't forget to subscribe so you can participate in the giveaway, and like and share the video, and I will see you next time.